Yeah, all right, guys. So I'm doing a quick recap on what we did today. I mean, SNDL was a trade that SNDL was a trade that I traded. It's a pot stock, and the whole marijuana sector kind of sold off heavily at the open. I tried to go short APHA. I mean APHA, um, ACB, Tilray, are the main one, and CRO, and these are the main marijuana sector. I tried to go APHA, but because it was on short selling restriction, I didn't get filled on APHA. I wanted to take this 1 minute open range breakdown here. So as you see, it's sold off really, really heavy with this volume. And just sold off from 23 all the way up to 20. But I didn't get filled, unfortunately, and then it bounced back a little bit. So what I did was I traded SNDL because SNDL was gapping up to like 100% or something. And then I got filled on it at 349, all the way down to 260 when actually red. And then it got halted, came up from the halt, spiked down to 1 and came back up. So this spike wasn't really a trading thing. I think it was some sort of a bad print. And then I got out at the break even. And then I flipped my position to the long because I saw that it's really squeezing up. I went long at 342, sold all the way up to 380. And it started really trading like a little bit weirdly. And right now it's about 1.2 billion share traded. 1.2 billion share has been traded. So it's just kind of, I stopped touching it really after that. So it was a really, really solid trade for both long and and then the sell-off continued for APHA and all of them. So what I did, both Brian and I decided to take a reversal. So really sold off to this 20 level, then which is 2 days ago low. I had one struggle at the open to get to try to cut that one long here. It was a little bit too early, got stopped out, and then came back up, and then I added more at 1960, 1980. And as you see, eventually popped up, and I'm still long a little bit on it in this account. So I still have a little bit of shares left on it. And let's see if I might actually go to 22 or might actually get out of it completely. So went up and I just got out most of my position. And you see, I think it might go to 22. So I can sell another 50% here. So I just sold another 50%. So that was the APH. I think Brian also took that trade, which was pretty good. At the same time, I took a reversal on Tilray too. So this one was really nice. The hammer doji was so clean that as soon as I made a new 5-minute high, I jumped in at 43 all the way up to 45. So sorry. Yeah, 43.25 popped up, and then it came down to my break-even point. I got out, and again, that's my thing that from 43 popped up to 44, came down. I got stopped out, but eventually we did go back, but I just got stopped out on it. But on APHA, it really never touched my entry, so my entry was around here in 1985. It really never tested my entry, so I can still give it room to go to 22. I think it's gonna go up to 22. All right, guys. So that's it pretty much for me. Riot is still ripping higher. The blockchain sector are strong, and the other. So sorry about the website issue again. So we had this website issue again this morning. But if you can't get to the website, always come to the YouTube. We continue the YouTube live until we fix the website issue. To be honest with you, I have no idea what happened. So is there any trade from Peter, Thor? I know, Thor, you were trading Tilray as well, TLRY with us. Is there anything from your side? Tonight is the webinar. So okay, let's see what Peter did. Peter, oh, you did the reversal with us. You went long, you got stopped out, and then you took it again, and beautiful trade all the way up to 22. Nice, Peter. Very nice. Same trade. APHA, still struggling. Very nice. Anything else? All right, so Thor didn't do anything.
I traded RCMT too. It was decent short. While you were talking, I got back short again.
RCMT, yeah, very nice. What is this one? RCM technology, yeah, that one's dropping.
I don't know. All I know is I've traded it a few times. I was actually traded it in the pre-market to the upside.
All right, so that's excellent. SNDL, yeah, SNDL wasn't really trading well. I mean, the problem that I had with SNDL was just, I mean, the volume is there, but my market orders were not getting really uh, filled that easily, so I just got there. So Bumble is the IPO today. So BMBL is the IPO, hasn't been opened yet. Um, so Bumble is on the line to get IPO'd, and I'll see how it goes. I don't have anything else except the APHA, but I had a really, really, really good day. So really solid from my end, and hopefully this volatility continues. This
Thanks.
market just getting crazier and crazier. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And tonight is the mentorship session with Thor. If our website is working, you can just log in and become a better trader just by watching Thor. Really. All right. Have a good day, guys. All right. So that is these.